Hey guys, Attorney Jeff Goldtrap here in Nashville at my satellite office today in the country, and we're going to talk more about DUI. Do you realize that the National Highway Safety Traffic Administration, NHTSA, has conducted research and has fostered and sponsored research by a number of large universities to study the effects of alcohol and other impairments on drivers. And you say, what in the world does that mean? It means they've studied the effect of alcohol on your being able to drive. And to do this, what they want to do is give officers reliable cues. Now, that doesn't mean the officer can see you driving down the road and know immediately what's going to happen, but the officer is given some cues, some ideas. Have you ever played poker? You know that some people they kind of have a tell. They have a way that they look and the way that they act when they've got a good hand or a bad hand. Some friends and I love to play dominoes, and I enjoy it, but I've learned to kind of read them a little bit, and I imagine they've learned to read me. So the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has funded research so that officers can be given some cues, some tells to get an idea if a driver may be impaired. And there are over 100 cues that have been developed, and they've been narrowed down to about 24. But let's talk about a few, and then we'll go into more detail about them. Number one, problems maintaining proper lane position. What in the world does that mean? Well, you can't keep in your lane. Maybe you're all over your lane. Maybe you're all over. I was behind a driver the other day on Interstate 24, and he drove successfully in his lane. And the lane to the left and the lane to the right, all over the place. Watched a video the other day from a matter that was in a nearby jurisdiction, and the person maintained their lane and maintained the lane on the sidewalk to the right and in the grass, in the median, in the middle. This person was all over the place. So a difficulty maintaining your lane, difficulty with speed or braking. Driving too fast can be an indicator of impairment. Driving too slow can be an indicator of impairment. Driving at varying speeds, very fast and then suddenly very slow. These are cues that might give you an indication, might give an officer an indication. Maybe there's something wrong. Maybe I need to continue this vehicle in motion phase and consider whether to, remember, pull over the vehicle, continue following the vehicle, ignore the vehicle. Cues like that, vigilance problems, being able to maintain contact with the things going on around them, the traffic lights, traffic signals, stop signs, other traffic, other people driving down the road, pedestrians. Again, think about videos that I've seen over the 20 plus years of practicing of people that have been impaired in driving. And finally, judgment problems. You know, there's judgment problems are people are willing to take greater risks when they're impaired. Now, how do you know that? Well, there's a reason they don't draft 60-year-old men, they draft 18-year-old men, because 18-year-old men are more willing to say, sure, I'll charge up that hill and take on that machine gun nest with my bare teeth and, you know, a rock or something. You know, a man of more age and wisdom is thinking, I don't think I want to do that. Okay, alcohol affects your ability to make reasoned judgments. Like what kind of risks are reasonable under the circumstances. So what have we talked about today? Cues. Okay, maintaining a lane, judgment, maintaining speed and braking, and risk-taking. Jeff Goldtrap in Nashville. I hope I've helped. If I've created other questions, ask them in the comments below. I look forward to helping you make it a great day.